See?
Here comes Sharon Thompson.
Woohoo, Sharon!
Let me know if it's too tight.
Come on back, girlfriend.
This is my quit.
Let me know if it's too tight, okay?
I don't worry know.
If you can't move.
That's a little bit snug. Because I need to lean way back now,
That's
right?
good. Now come out here to the edge and put your feet on the edge of the cliff. Get your feet wider apart. A little bit more. There you go. Now just lock your knees. Okay, now start leaning.
I'm leaning back.
Yep.
Now what?
You're doing good. Keep those knees locked. Come on
I'm
back.
gonna fall.
You're good. You're good. Keep that, lower your butt. Just a little. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Lower your butt.
My butt?
Yep. There you go. You're doing great.
All right, go Sharon.
Oh my God!
You're doing it.
It's a matter of leaning backwards.
Yep.
Look at you go.
I'm not going. Don't you dare drop me. I'm gonna stop.
Widen your feet.
I'm leaning backwards.
Wide legs. There you go.
You're doing
I'm
great.
afraid I'm gonna go backwards.
You are going backwards.
I mean, leaning all the way backwards. I can't stop.
You can sit up a little bit if you want.
Oh, I do. Oh, fabulous.
Why?
Oh my God.
Do you need more slack? Or are you good?
I don't know. I think you're
You're
fine.
doing good. You're doing good.
I'm not getting rope burn.
Perfect.
Oh.
No, we look up and you're gone.
You look up there. What the heck is he doing up there?
Oh my God.
You're doing it.
Oh my God.
You don't need me anymore.
Thank you. You know what? I'm still wobbly. The most important thing is leaning back. That's the hardest part.
You did awesome. How do you feel?
Empowered. Now how do I get out of this?
Proud of you.
Get your step over to your left about 5 feet.
That's my left.
This way?
That left?
That.
Because
This way.
why?
This way.
Oh, that's my right.
Sharon, how do you feel?
I feel jittery, nervous, empowered. No rope burns. I'm very happy.
Good. Was it scary?
Yes.
But exhilarating, scary.
But
Worth
once you've
it?
done it, once you've done it, you've done it, you know. Yeah.